Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Trading. Today we will discuss our indicator that is RSI. Basically this topic we will cover in English and in my next video we will cover in Hindi for my Hindi viewer. So let's start. RSI, that is Relative Strength Index. Now what is RSI? RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. RSI calculates strength, that is speed and direction of the trend, a stock's price, and conveys an early sign of trend reversal. Second is it compares the stock gains and losses in prices during the specified period. Last, that is RSI measures how well the stock is performing against itself by comparing the strength of its up days with the strength of its down days. Now, how to plot RSI? RSI is usually drawn as a separate line chart, usually below the price chart to maintain the same time scale. In your trading platform, go to charts, then to studies and choose RSI from the available options. The default setup of RSI is most of the trading platform will show the period as 14, overbought level as 70 and oversold level as 30. Let us retain the period as 14 but changes the overbought level as 80 and oversold level is 20. Identifying overbought oversold levels. Trend directions. Trend is your friend is the golden rule of technical analysis. Traders are supposed to trade in the direction of the market trend only. RSI is much useful in determining the trend. For instance, RSI is usually moving between 40 and 80 and rarely falls below 40 in the case of a stock in a strong uptrend. In such cases of stocks in uptrend, one is not supposed to go short. The stock may be bought at the RSI value of 40 and covered by selling when the RSI value reaches the value 80. Stocks in strong downtrend will be mostly moving between 20 and 60 and one can consider going short if and when the RSI touches the value 60. Now divergence. When the RSI makes higher high and higher low in spite of declining trend of actual price, a positive divergence is said to have occurred. Similarly, when the RSI falls and make a lower high in spite of rising trend in price, a negative divergence is said to have occurred. These divergences signal a potential reversal point as directional momentum does not confirm the price. If RSI makes a new highs and higher lows, it means the stock is in healthy uptrend. If the RSI makes new lows and lower highs, it means the stock is in downtrend. Look to buy when RSI falls. Now let's go to the chart and see this with example. For chart, I am going to chart ink site. In chart ink site, let's take example with which ones here. Let's take it randomly. Maruti. That is Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Now friends, just see, in a simple candlestick chart pattern, we cannot say where we have to enter and where we have to exit. Now let's see the miracle with our RSI, that is Relative Strength Index. Put Relative Strength Index in your trading platform which trading or which trading account you people are using. After RSI, that is relative strength index, go for period of 1 year. Range will be daily and type, that is which candle you want to with the chart, and I will prefer it with the candlestick chart. Now update the same chart. Now we will see the miracle. As we will discuss, 30 will be our oversold zone. Now when the RSI was 30, now just see Maruti price was around 5415, and when it is reaches as 70 means it is overbought. We have to book our profit in Maruti. Like here it's 7154. Now friend, just see at entry point we was at 5463 around, and exit was 7154. Now it is a big profit in short term, as this chart is for 1 year. 1 year I already told. Now just see in same period we have a second entry, that is here, as like our RSI was at 30 means oversold zone. We have to enter here and book our profit when the RSI reaches at 70, like here. Now just see at entry was 4190, and exit means when we have to book the profit at 70, right? Now when the RSI was at 70, the Maruti Suzuki share was at 5824. Now just see the difference. Entry was 4209 and exit was 5862. Means just you cannot imagine, it's a huge profit, right friend? Now would like to wind up the videos from here, and we'll meet in my next video. Thanks for watching the channel.